Very good afternoon, dear students. The last class discussed about find the inverse of the A matrix. So yesterday we are discussing how many problems? There are 4 problems. Next very important question is fifth question. Fifth question also we are asking find the inverse of the matrix. Find the inverse of the matrix. What is the given matrix? To calculate inverse of the matrix. In before, what are the order of matrix given? 2 by 2 matrix. That is very easy. So here what is the given? 3 by 3 matrix. 100% in final exam this type of question only will be asked 7 marks question. 2 by 2 matrix sometimes only asking many times 3 by 3 matrix only asking for the final exam. So everyone will listen carefully this question. What they are asking? Find the inverse of the matrix. Find the inverse of the matrix. Means what is the given matrix? To calculate inverse of the matrix. Here what is the solution? Let capital A is equal to what is the given matrix? 1 minus 1 1 2 minus 1 3 minus 3 minus 2 4. So now what is the A inverse formula? 1 divided by delta A into adjointment of A. Consider equation number 1. So A inverse is equal to 1 divided by delta A into adjointment of A. First to calculate determinant of A, after that to calculate adjointment of A. So first we are calculating determinant of A. So take determinant, substitute value is 1 minus 1 1 2 minus 1 3 and minus 3 minus 2 4. So when your 3 by 3 matrix is there, top to consider symbol is positive, negative, positive. So whenever determinant of 3 by 3 matrix is there, top to consider symbol is positive, negative, positive. So now we are calculating. First one we are taking 1 present in the first row, first column, then left of the element, second right. So minus 1 and 3 minus 2 4 plus 1 we are taking 1 present in the first row, first column, eliminated, left of the elements we are writing determinant of left of the elements. What is the symbol? Minus. Second element is minus 1. Take determinant. Now minus 1 is the present in the first row, second column, eliminated, left of the element you write 2 3 minus 3 4. 2 3 minus 3 4. What is the third symbol? Positive. Third element is 1. Take determinant. 1 present in the first row, third column, eliminated, left of the element is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1. Now we are going to 2 by 2 matrix. We are applying cross multiplication method. 1 into minus 1 into 4 is minus 4 minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Minus 1 into 4 is minus 4 minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Minus into minus is plus 1. Here also apply cross multiplication method. 2 4 is 8 minus 3 into 3 is minus 9 plus 1. Here also apply cross multiplication method. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3 plus into minus is minus 3. So now 1 into minus 4 plus 6 plus 1 into 8 plus 9 plus 1 into minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. So now delta A is equal to minus 4 plus 6 value is 2. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 8 plus 9 value is 17. 17 into 1 is 17 plus into minus is minus 1 into 7 is 7. So delta A is equal to 17 plus 2 is 19. 19 minus 7 value is 12. So delta value is 2. Here the given matrix to calculate A inverse matrix. So A inverse is equal to 1 by delta into adjointment of A. That's why first we are calculating determinant of A. First take determinant, substitute the values. This is the 3 by 3 matrix. That's why top consider plus to negative plus alternative symbols. First one we will take 1 present in the first element, determinant of the left of the elements we are writing. Minus 1 is plus 1. minus the present the first one, second element left of the element is 2, 3, minus 3 is the 4, plus 1, 1 present the first one, third element remaining element is determinant of 2 minus 1, minus 3, minus 2. After that cross multiplication apply, finally determinant of A is equal to 12. Next to calculating adjointment of A. To calculating adjointment of A. In before 2 by 2 matrix is there, A and D are interchanging, B and C are not interchanging, only are adding negative symbols. But here 3 by 3 matrix is there. How to find the adjointment of A? Very easy here. I am explaining very easy method. How to calculate 3 by 3 matrix adjointment of A is in the given matrix. What is the middle element? In 3 by 3 matrix, what is the middle element? Minus 1 is the middle element. Here now we are taking middle and down. From first we are taking row wise, we can taking column wise, we are write the elements. In the 3 by 3 matrix, middle element is minus 1. So minus 1. So now we are taking minus 1 means middle down. We are taking column wise, we are write the rows here. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2. Next middle down, minus 1, minus next up down, minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1. You understood how to take 3 by 3 matrix adjointment of A is in 3 by 3 matrix. What is the middle element? Minus 1 is the middle element. That's why we are taking column wise, that element wise, row wise. Minus 1, minus 2 means middle and down. Minus 1, minus 2. Next up to down. Minus 1, minus 2. Next right hand side. 3, 4. First we are taking 3, 4. After that up to down means 1, 3. 1, 3. Next, we are taking left hand side, middle is 2 down, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3. Next, up to middle, 1, 2. Next, again repeat this one, minus 1, minus 2, and minus 1, minus 1. Listen carefully. Adjointment of A matrix, how to calculating means in the given matrix, what is the middle element here? Middle element here minus 1. Now we are taking middle element, middle down. Minus 1, minus 1 is the column element. That means we are writing the row wise. Minus 1, minus 2. Next same column up to down. Middle to down, next up to down. Minus 1, minus 1. Next we are taking right hand side. 3, 4, 1, 3. 3, 4, 1, 3. Next we are taking left hand side. 2 minus 3, 1, 2. 2 minus 3, 1, 2. Middle down, up down. Next you are start from here, finally ending also here only. That's why minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 1. After that, how to calculate the adjointment of this? Here applying the cross multiplication method. Applying the cross minus 1 into 4 is minus 4, minus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Minus 6. Next, this is cross multiplication method. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Minus 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. Next, apply cross multiplication method. Minus 1 into 3 is a minus 3. Minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Next, we are applying cross multiplication method. 3 into minus 3 is a minus 9. Minus 2 into 4 is 8. Next, applying cross multiplication method. 4 into 1 is 4. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. Next, applying cross multiplication method. 1 into 2, 2. Minus 1 into 3 is 3. Next one. Applying here also cross multiplication method. 2 into minus 2 is a minus 4. Minus 1 into minus 3 is a plus 3. So plus into minus is minus. Here applying cross multiplication method. Minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Here also applying cross multiplication method. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Now your simplification is what? Minus 4 plus 6 that value is 2. Minus 2 plus 4 value is 2. Minus 3 plus 1 value is minus 2. Minus 9 minus 8 value is minus 17. 4 plus 3 value is 7. 2 minus 3 value is minus 1. 4 minus 3 value is minus 7. 3 plus 2 value is 5. Minus 1 plus 2 value is 1. This is a adjointment of A. This is adjointment of A. Next, determinant of A value no, adjointment of A value no. Substitute in from 1. Substitute from equation number 1. Substitute from equation number is A inverse is equal to 1 by data value you are getting 12. Adjointment of A value is minus 2, not minus 2, that is 2 only. 2, 2, minus 2, minus 17, 7, minus 1, minus 7, 5, and this is the required solution. This is once again, they are asking to calculate inverse of the matrix. What is the given matrix? To calculate inverse of the matrix is A inverse is equal to 1 divided by delta into adjointment of A. So what is the given matrix? To consider let A is equal to 1 minus 1 1, 2 minus 1 3, minus 3 minus 2 4. First to calculating determinant of A. That's why we are doing first determinant of A. Taking determinant substitute the given matrix. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. That's why we first consider plus or negative plus 1. 1 present in the first column take eliminated left of the determinant of left of the inverse. So writing minus into minus is the plus 1. Minus 1 present in the first column eliminated left of the inverse. You can write plus 1. 1 present in the first column eliminated left of the inverse. You can have that cross multiplication. Finally, data value you are getting 12. Next, how to calculating adjointment of A. So all that is how it came is, see in the given matrix what is the middle element? Minus 1 is the middle element. So now very easy method. In the middle element you are taking middle down, middle is minus 1, down is minus 2. You are taking column wise. That elements you can write row wise. In 3 by 3 matrix middle element you are taking middle and down. Middle element is minus 1, down element is minus 2. This we are taking column wise. The rate is right in the row. That's right. Minus 1 minus 2 and up middle minus 1 minus. That is the first one. Second right hand side. Middle down, up down. 3 4 1 3. Next middle is over, right hand side is over. Next we are going to left hand side. Middle and down. 2 minus 3 1 2. Next where we are starting from the elements. Final also stop the. Can take final last also we are taking here only. Stop the matrices. So now first to take here only, final also, ending also here only. That's why ending point minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2. After that they are getting how many matrices? They are getting 4 by 4 matrix. Determinant is not for them. So we are applying the cross multiplication method. We are applying cross multiplication method means AD minus DC formula applying. So finally we get the adjointment of A. Determinant of A value, adjointment of A substitute in the equation number 1 is A inverse is equal to 1 by data value is 12. Adjointment of A is 2 2 minus 2 minus 17 7 minus 1 minus 7 5 1. So everyone understood how to solve in the 3 by 3 matrix. Next we are going to second question. So second question is very important. This question also. Find the inverse of matrix. Find the inverse of matrix. 1 minus 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 5 4 1 minus 2 1. In the given matrix to calculate inverse of the matrix. First we are assuming let the given matrix we are assuming capital A is equal to 1 minus 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 5 4 1 minus 2 1. To calculating A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant of A into adjointment of A. So to calculating inverse of A matrix. First to calculating determinant of A. See here how to calculate determinant of A. Determinant of A. We are taking determinant. That's why we are taking determinant. Substitute the values is 1 minus 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 5 4 1 minus 2 1. So whenever 3 by 3 matrix is there, top to consider symbol is positive, negative, positive. So now first term plus 1 we are taking, after that take determinant. So 1 present in the first row, first column eliminated. So what is the left of the elements? Minus 5 4 minus 2 1. Left of the elements can write minus 5 4 minus 2 1. Next, symbol is negative. Second element is -4. Now -4 project in the first row and second column eliminated. Left of the element is determinant of -2, 4, 1. Next, third symbol is plus. Element is -2. Now -2 is the present in the first row and third column eliminated. Left of the element is determinant of -2, -5, 1, -2. So now we are applying cross multiplication method. -5 to 1 is -5, -2 into 4 is -8. Minus of minus plus 4. Apply cross multiplication method. -2 into 1 is -2, -1 into 4 is 4. Plus into minus is -2. After that, applying cross multiplication, -2 into -2 plus 4, -1 into -5 is -5. Simplification, 1 -5 plus 8 plus 4 into -6 -2 into 4 plus 5. -5 plus 8 is 3. 3 into 1 is 3. Plus into minus 6 4 jar 24. Minus 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 into 2 18. So now -2 into 1 okay. 4 of -6 is -24. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 into 2 is 18. So now -24 -18, that value is 42. -42 plus 3 is -39. That value is -39. So now you are taking any mistake will be there. 1 -4. This is not a -4. That is a +4. That is +4. That is +4. Minus that is plus. So now 24 plus 3. 24 plus 3 is a 27. 27 is 18. That value is 9. So that value is 9. The value is 9. Everyone understood? Small mistake that is we have to rectify. That is not a -4. That is +4. 24 plus 4 value is 27. 18. 7 is not go to the -18. That's why 17. 17, 8. 7 plus 2 is a 9. 1 plus 7 is 8. That value is 9. Data value is 9. So you understood how to calculate data value. Next we are calculating adjointment of P. Adjointment of P. So now 3 by 3 matrix. What is the middle element here? Middle element is -5. That's why I can start from middle element, middle loop down. Middle down. So middle loop down. We are taking column wise, we write row wise. Middle down is -5 and -2. Next, up to down. Up to down means 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5. Next, right hand side. Middle loop down. 4 1 -2 4. 4 1 2 4. Next, right hand side. Middle loop down -2 1 up to down 1 minus 2. First we are taking -2 1 and 1 minus 2. Start from there only, ending element also there only. That's why ending taking -5 -2 and up to down 4 minus 2. After that applying cross multiplication method. After that applying cross multiplication method. After that applying cross multiplication method. Now adjointment of A is equal to -5 into 1 is -5, minus 4 into -2 is -6. Now we are applying cross multiplication. Next here, -2 into plus 2 is -4. After taking into 1 into 4 is 2. Next this one, 4 into 4 is 16, minus 2 into -5 is -10. Next down, 4 into 1 is 4, minus -2 into 1 is -2. 1 into 1 is 1, minus 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into -2 value is -4, minus 1 into 4 value is 4. Next one, down, -2 into -2 is a +4, minus -5 into 1 is -5. Next, 1 into 4 is 4, minus -2 into 1 is -2. 1 into minus 5 is minus 5 minus 4 into minus 2 is a minus 8. We are applying cross multiplication method. AD minus BC like AD minus BC. That's why middle compulsory are taking negative. Now minus into minus is plus 8. Minus 5 plus 8, that value is 3. Minus 4 minus 4, that value is minus 8. Next one. 16 minus of minus plus 16 plus 10 value is 26. 4 minus of minus plus 4 plus 2 value is 6. 1 minus 2 value is minus 1. Minus 4 minus 4, that value is minus 8. Minus of minus plus 4 plus 5 value is 9. 4 plus 2 value is 6. And minus 5 plus 8 value is 3. This is adjointment of A. So delta value we are getting 9, adjointment of A. So any mistake will be there? 4 1 4 1 minus 2 4 1, that is minus 2 4. That's why it means that this is the plus 4. 4 minus 4, that value is 0. Next one is minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. This one 4 minus 4 value is 0. Next 4 into 4 is 16, and that is plus 10. That is, so 16 minus 10 value is 6. So finally we got the values is adjointment of A is equal to 306. Next one is 1 into 1 1, that is value is minus 2, that value is 3. 306. So you want to rectify that one. What is the mistake will be there? Now here first we are calculating data value. Take determinant of, substitute the values. Present 1 is present in the first row. First row left of the dimension can write minus 4. Minus 4. 4 present in the first row. Second column left of the dimension can write plus into minus is minus 2. Minus present in the first row. So third column left of the dimension. After that, applying cross multiplication method. So now adjointment how to take means in the given method what is the middle element is minus 5. That's why you start from middle down up to middle. Right hand side middle down up to down. Next left hand side middle down up to down. Where will be starting? Final answer can take last from here only. That's why you take last also here only. After that applying cross multiplication finally get the adjointment. Okay. So on data value knows adjointment of A values. This both are obtained equation number 1. From 1 A inverse is equal to 1 by data value is 9. Adjointment of A value is 3 0 6 6 3 0 9 6 3. So now each term divided with 9. That's why each term divided with 3 by 9, 0 by 9, 6 by 9, 6 by 9, 3 by 9, 0 by 9, 9 by 9, 6 by 9, 3 by 9. So simplify this one. 1 by 3, 0, 2 by 3, and 2 by 3, and 1 by 3, 0, 1, 2 by 3, 1 by 3. This is the A inverse the required value. So very important for the final exam, very important related problems, very most important. So what are the given 3 by 3 matrix? We can apply this method. Very easy. Suppose any doubt is there, you can ask me in WhatsApp, okay? So today this chapter will be completed. So matrices on determinant chapter is completed. So tomorrow we will discuss very new chapter, commercial and arithmetic. Suppose if you have any doubt is there in the fourth chapter, I am explaining what are the your doubts. Okay, thank you all.